London is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, and for good reason. The city is rich in history, culture, and entertainment. However, it can also be quite expensive. The good news is that with a little planning and creativity, you can still have a fantastic time in London without breaking the bank. First and foremost, it's essential to find affordable accommodation. Hostels and budget hotels are a great option for those on a tight budget. Another option is to consider staying in a shared apartment or house through Airbnb. This can be a cost-effective way to save money on accommodation while also getting a local experience. When it comes to transportation, it's worth investing in a visitor Oyster card. This prepaid card can be used on all public transport in London, including buses, trains, and the underground. It's a cost-effective way to get around the city and can save you money on single fares. Additionally, walking or cycling is a great way to see the city and save money on transportation. When it comes to food, London has a wide variety of options, from street food to fine dining. However, it's essential to be mindful of the cost. Eating at street food markets, pubs, and ethnic eateries is a great way to enjoy delicious food without breaking the bank. Also, you can save money by cooking your own food in the accommodation you have rented. One of the best things about London is that there are many free or low-cost activities to enjoy. Many of the city's top attractions, such as the British Museum, the National Gallery, and the Tate Modern, are free to enter. Also, London's parks, such as Hyde Park, Regent's Park, and St. James's Park, are perfect for a picnic or a leisurely stroll. Additionally, there are many free walking tours that take you around the city and provide a wealth of historical and cultural information. In conclusion, London can be a budget-friendly destination with a little planning and creativity. By finding affordable accommodation, using public transport, eating at street food markets and ethnic eateries, and taking advantage of free or low-cost activities, you can experience all that London has to offer without breaking the bank.